Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Hey, Booker.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I can help you.
Yeah, I was told to get a hold of you when the call starts because I haven't got a hold of my attorney yet. And
Okay, Judge Jefferson will call Docket shortly, and then after that, I'll take care of that matter for you.
No problem.
Okay, do we still have people waiting? Only 20 are on the Zoom.
No, Judge, this is it.
Okay, all right, well, it's 9 o'clock straight up, so we'll get started. I'll explain to the Zoom audience how I'll be calling the docket. I will be calling the docket by the defendant's name. So defendants, when you hear your name called, please unmute yourselves, turn your camera on if it's off, and then announce yourself to the court. I'll say that one more time. I will be calling the docket by the defendant's name. So defendants, when you see your name, when you hear your name called, please unmute yourselves, turn your camera on if it is off because you are in court and I do need to see you. You are free to turn your camera back off after that and then announce yourself to the court. Because from my end, I am checking that you're either answering the docket or that you're not answering the docket. And at some point, defense attorneys, if your client never zooms in today, I do issue FTAs, that stands for failure to appear. A warrant will issue for your client. So we'll begin it. This is Monday, February 6, 2023, County Court 12, calling the 9 o'clock docket. And we'll start with Sebastian Vargas. Nina Marie Rodriguez.
Present, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Got you checked in. Jonathan Gray Saunders. John Alfred Marmia. Eric Micah Whitwood. Eric Whitwood. Jayton Wayne Barlow. Kevin.
I'm sorry.
Who said that?
Jaden Butler.
Okay, thank you, Jaden. I got your check there now. Kevin Andrew Davis. Kevin Andrew Davis.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Thank you, Kevin. Got your check in. And let's see, Serena Marie Gonzalez. Serena Marie Gonzalez.
I'm here, ma'am.
Okay. Serena, could you put your face in the camera so we can see you? There you are. Thank you, Serena. Got your check in. Antonio Martinez Vasquez. Antonio Martinez
I'm here,
Vasquez.
Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Got your check in. Ruben Andrew Singletary. Ruben Andrew Singletary.
Just that one's been moved to Thursday's docket.
Okay, reset, recall. Victor Hugo Rodriguez. Victor Hugo Rodriguez. DeMarcus Franklin. DeMarcus Franklin.
Present, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you, sir. Got your check in. Jacqueline Edwards. Jacqueline Christine Edwards.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Got your check in. Michelle Annette McGowan. Michelle McGowan.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, Michelle. Got your check in. Carlos Rojas Montoya. Carlos Montoya.
Oh,
All right.
Your Honor, he's in the hallway.
Oh, Steve, is number 15 in the hallway?
I did not, he did not check in with me. I
Okay.
can check though.
Steve's gonna go check. No, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Jeremias Alvarado. Jeremias Gutierrez Alvarado. Jose Valero. Jose Valero. Kenny Lantara Brown. Kenny Brown.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Ramiro Calvillo. Ramiro Calvillo. Calvillo.
Present, Your Honor.
Oh, there you go. Thank you, sir. Adam Garay. Adam Garay.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Vanessa Maris. Vanessa Maris.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you. Got you checked in. Joseph Valenzuela. Joseph Alexander Valenzuela. Israel Hernandez. Israel Hernandez.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Edward Ofosu. Edward Ofosu.
Present, Your Honor.
Who said that? Oh, there you are. Thank you. Got you checked in, sir. Louis Henry. Louis Henry. Devin Freddie Garcia. Devin Freddie Garcia.
I'm here.
Devin, could you say that one more time?
I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Got you checked in. Godard Emmanuel Myers. Godard Myers. No, okay. I will go back to this list one more time for the individuals that did not answer at the 9 o'clock docket call. But first, I'm going to give some instructions on how this morning is going to roll out. So defense attorneys that need a reset, the court will give you a reset. I do, however, require that you talk to one of the two ADAs on the Zoom. That would be Caleb or Kendra. Even if you have talked to them last court setting, defense attorneys, and you have not changed your mind about what you want, I'm still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs. Even if you just got hired last night or last week or last month, I am still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs. Even if there is a felony pending along with this county court 12 case, I am still requiring that you talk to one of the two ADAs. I see no downside to communication, guys. I know that I am over here trying to move my docket. I know that you defense attorneys are trying to bring closure to your clients' cases so they can get back to their normal lives, and we cannot do that without communication. So defense attorneys, please just take a few moments to go into the breakout rooms to get on the same page about this setting, this hearing this morning. Now, defense attorneys, if you've talked to one of the two ADAs within the last 2, 3, even up to 5 days ago, and that talk, that chat, that email was about this setting today, I'll take that. I do consider that a confer. I would highly recommend that's what your defense attorneys would do. So when you get on the Zoom, when I get to the part about who's already conferred, you can quickly get a reset for your client and we can release your client. But you're here now, so we're moving forward. All right, how we're gonna do this is I need defense attorneys to please send chats to Booker. Booker's gonna line you guys up in order of how he receives those chats to go into the breakout room. It is 9:07 now. So I say that to say that we do try to move things quickly along in County Court 12. So defense attorneys, when Booker puts you guys in those breakout rooms, please do not pop out of the breakout rooms to say, no one has come to see me in the breakout room. Like I said, we do try to move things along quickly in County Court 12. Just a little patience, guys. Someone will be there quickly to discuss the matter of the case with you. All right. So I'm gonna go back through the list one more time. Remember, this is for the individuals that did not answer the first go around. So when I will call the docket by your name. When you hear your name called, please unmute yourselves. Turn your camera on if it is off, because you are in court and I do need to see you. You are free to turn your camera off after that and then announce yourself to the court. Okay. Remember, from my end, I'm checking that you're either answering the docket or that you're not answering the docket. And at some point, defense attorneys, if your client never zooms in, I do issue FTAs. That stands for failure to appear. A warrant will issue for your client. So we'll begin again. Sebastian Vargas. Is Sebastian Vargas on the Zoom now? How about Jonathan Gray Saunders? Jonathan Gray Saunders.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, got to check there. John Alfred Marmia. John Marmia.
Hello, ma'am. This is Sebastian Vargas. I'm here.
Sebastian, okay. All right. John Marmia, do you know how to unmute yourself there? Do you know how to unmute yourself? Unmute yourself. You got to push. Who's his attorney, Booker? Michael Goins. No. Michael Goins is his attorney. Someone needs to navigate him how to operate Zoom. We'll circle back around to it. Eric Whitwood. Eric Whitwood.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Do you know how to turn? There you go. Thank you, sir. Got you checked there.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Victor Rodriguez. Victor Hugo Rodriguez. How about Carlos Montoya? Carlos Montoya. Steve, was he in the hall?
Yes, in the hallway.
Okay.
Spanish speaker, he's not gonna be on Zoom.
Okay. In the hallway, Spanish speaker he does not have Zoom now. So you're gonna have to come down and talk to him, I'm assuming. Jeremias Alvarado. Jeremias Gutierrez Alvarado. Are you on the Zoom now? How about Jose Valero? Jose Valero. Joseph Venezuela. Joseph Venezuela. Lewis Henry. Lewis Henry. And God Myers. God Emmanuel Myers. All right. I've now gone through the docket twice. Is there anyone?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Hold on, sir. I'll get
Jesus
you.
Salazar.
Hold on, sir. I'll get to you in a minute, okay? Don't interrupt. I'll get to you in a minute. I'll let you speak. Is there anyone on the docket that you did not hear your name called at all? You think you're in the right place. You did not hear your name called either time that I called it. David Jesus? David Salazar? Is that the name you're under? Jesus?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Were you supposed to be here today or you were called back from last week?
No, I was supposed to be here today.
Judge, I have his case number.
Uh-huh.
Want to give it?
Yeah, what's your case number?
672
672
549.
549. Is he supposed to be here
He is
today?
set today. He just was not on our docket. I talked to him in the hall.
Okay, so he is set today. Okay. Who's the attorney?
He hired Russell Mitchell.
Russell Mitchell. Okay. Russell Mitchell. Booker, Steve looked him up and said he was set today. He just didn't make it to the docket, but Russell Mitchell is his attorney. Okay. Mr. Salazar, just stay on the Zoom. We'll try to get a hold of your attorney. I'm hoping he's aware that he is court. And a lot of the attorneys will go to felony courts first, and then they'll come to the misdemeanor courts. Okay. Jonathan Renee, did you have your hand up? Jonathan Renee?
Yes, Your Honor.
Booker, was he on the docket? Jonathan Renee, I don't remember calling that. Jonathan, was today the day you were set, or
my third? I've been called for a third week to come on Monday.
Who's his attorney, Booker? Jonathan Renee. Do you know your cause number, sir? Your SID?
No, I have it somewhere up there.
What's your date of birth
9590.
and your full name?
Jonathan Renee Martinez.
Yes, Patrick Montgomery is your attorney.
Okay, we'll reach out to Pat again. Hold on, stay on the Zoom, okay, Jonathan? All right, anyone else that did not hear their name called at all this morning? Did not hear their name called? All right, we'll move forward. Before we move forward in the pleas and whatnot this morning, I'm going to give a few housekeeping rules for County Court 12. Rule 1 being defense attorneys that plan to do a plea today. Remember 2 sets of paperwork. If you are not sure if your client has done all of the paperwork, Booker can put you in a breakout room and you can go over these matters with your client. I just don't want anyone to sit on the docket for an hour or so. When I call the case, we discover only half the paperwork or none of the paperwork has been done. Remember 2 sets of paperwork.
Your Honor?
Could you please be? Also, remember, okay, defense attorneys, if your client has an MTR, besides speaking to one of the 2 ADAs, you must also speak to Mr. Charles Kimbrough. He is the CLO, the probation officer for County Court 12. Of course, because it is an MTR, a motion to revoke probation, I do need the input from the probation department. Also, defense attorneys, when moving forward with the plea, please ask your client this one question. Are they a resident of Bexar County? I realize that Bexar County, San Antonio is a very touristy town and we get a lot of outsiders. So we need to know if your client resides in another county or perhaps even another state, because if that plea paperwork is going over to probation and that information is not written down, your client is going to get an automatic violation. It's an easy solution. I just need to write a file. This client resides wherever, Travis County, Harris County, and then I'll make the decision if they reside in another county, how far is it away, another state, should this case be transferred to wherever they live, or I can perhaps give that client permission to zoom in for probation, okay? Just it's an easy solution, but it'll cause a big headache if that information is not going over with with your client. So just want to avoid that. Also, defense attorneys, if your client has been just arrested at least 2 times for a DWI, your client's case is going to automatically be sent over to the DWI court. That is a specialty, a treatment court. I cannot order or mandate anyone into that treatment court. However, your client will be given the opportunity to be evaluated and talk to someone about what I consider red flags in alcohol usage. Again, your client will not be able to leave this judiciary able to say no one talked to them about, again, issues and red flags of alcohol usage. Now, besides presiding over County Court 12, I also preside over the mental health court. The mental health court is also a treatment specialty court. It doesn't even have to be that your client has ever been professionally diagnosed with a mental health issue. If they think they're bipolar or suffering from anxiety or depression or PTSD, schizophrenia, that is good enough for us. We'll get them properly diagnosed and seen by a doctor. I do run several dockets of mental health. One of the dockets is the PTD docket. If your client is deemed eligible for that docket, not only does the case get dismissed, but it gets totally expunged from your client's record at no cost to them. Just options for everyone, okay? All right, so moving forward, are there any defense attorneys that have already conferred? They just need to give a report to the court. We can give your client a reset and release your client. Any defense attorneys that have already conferred?
This is Sunny, Your Honor.
Go ahead, Sunny.
On Jacqueline Edwards, number 13 on the docket.
Okay.
It's still a red file. I believe we just got the labs back, but they haven't had a chance to look them over yet.
Okay, very good. What you got, Booker, number 13?
March 28th.
March 28th. Okay, very good.
Perfect, thank you.
Jacqueline Edwards, your court date has been reset to March 28th, so you are free to log off.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sunny. Have a
You're
nice
welcome.
day.
Thank you. Sunny, you have
Thank you,
anything?
No,
Is that
ma'am,
all?
that was it.
All right, thank you, Sunny, for coming on and conferring. You're free to log off also.
Thank you. Have a good week.
Any other defense attorneys that have already conferred?
Yes, Your Honor. Mario Moreno.
Go ahead, Mario. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
I have number 9, Antonio Vasquez.
Okay.
He has an offer on his case contingent on him completing classes, and he's still working on those, so we're requesting a reset to afford him that time.
Okay, all right. Booker, what you got, number 9?
March 27th.
March 27th, okay. Antonio Vasquez, your court date has been reset to March 27th, so you are free to log off, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, got any more, Mario?
Yes, Your Honor. My last one is Nina Rodriguez. She's set for a plea this morning. I believe all paperwork submitted, so we'll be ready and waiting whenever the court is ready to take that.
Nina Rodriguez, is that on the docket, Booker? Nina?
Number 3, I think, or somewhere up
Number-
on the top.
No. Oh, yes, number 2. There we go. All right, good. I'll pull that file. All right, any other defense attorney?
Thank you,
Ready
Judge.
to confer? Thank you, Mario. No more? All right. Let's see, if we get one of the ADAs out, Mario, we can move forward with that plea for Nina. We have someone out, Booker, Kendra, or Caleb. We're gonna move forward with the plea for Mario's client, Nina Rodriguez.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to get Caleb out.
Okay, all right, I'll be right here.
That's how you
Hey, Book.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, I've just finished conferring. We're gonna apply for PTD. And so I'd like to get another court date, and then, but before we cut off, I'd like to get in a breakout room with Edward Ofosu.
All right, March 30th.
Okay. Okay, then can you throw me in a breakout room?
Yes, if you go back to number 4, I'll put them in there with you.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Hello.
Hey, Caleb, Judge wants to move forward with the plea on for number 2 on the docket, Nina Rodriguez.
Let me just make sure we're set.
And that could be the case, so.
All right, you guys ready to move forward on that plea, on the plea for Mario's client?
Can you give me just 1 second, Judge?
Yes, that, Caleb, it's Nina Rodriguez. Cause number 688264.
We're good to go.
Okay, we're good to go. All right. Here we go. Irene, you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
There we go. All right, this time the court will call the case of Nina Marie Rodriguez, cause number 688264. Would each side state their name and who they represent for the record, please?
Caleb Morgan for the state.
Mario Moreno for the defendant.
Good morning, Ms. Rodriguez. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, Judge.
Very well. Are you the same Nina Marie Rodriguez who's been charged to the DWI?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had an opportunity to discuss this case with your lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
And counselor, are you satisfied your client is competent enough to move forward in the plea this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Rodriguez, did you get an opportunity to go over a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonishments?
I did.
Did you go over that document with your lawyer?
We discussed it, yes, and then I reviewed it.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
Counselor, are you satisfied your client understands her waiver of constitutional rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Rodriguez, are you entered into your plea voluntarily this morning?
I am.
State, is there a plea bargain?
There is, Your Honor. State's going to waive the enhancement, proceed on a Class B DWI.
Any objections?
No objections.
Entered.
The plea agreement is for a $500 fine, court costs, 16 months deferred education, DWI education, victim impact panel, TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for 6 months, 48 community service hours, and restitution, if any, to Victor Onuoha, and that is spelled Victor Victor Onuoha Onuoha.
All right. Is this everyone's understanding of the plea bargain? Is this everyone's understanding of the plea bargain?
Sorry, I was muted, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. Ms. Rodriguez, I see you have taken a plea bargain for deferred adjudication. Let me explain that deferred adjudication is a special type of probation where if you do very well and successfully complete this probation, this case could ultimately be dismissed against you. However, if you violate any terms of this probation, I could call you back to court, I can revoke the probation, and I can sentence you up to the full range of punishment. Do you understand this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Still wish to move forward?
Yes.
How do you plead to this charge?
No contest?
No contest? Very well. The court accepts your plea of no contest. Bond has been voluntarily and intelligently entered into, and I'll set punishment as follows. We're going to move forward on a DWIB, $500 fine, court costs, 16 months of deferred adjudication, DWI education class, the VIP class, a top evaluation, ignition interlock for 6 months, 48 hours of community service, restitution, if any, to Victor Unyuha. I'll set supervisory fee at $40. And Ms. Rodriguez, if you have been vaccinated, the court will give you 24 hours of credit. And if you've been boosted, I'll give you an extra 5. So altogether, you can earn 29 hours of credit towards the 48 hours assessed. That goes for anyone taking a plea. That is a standard policy in County Court 12. I do believe getting vaccinated is a great community effort. All right. Anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state.
Yes, Your Honor, just notice to the court that Ms. Rodriguez has completed DWI education, her victim impact panel, and the community service as well prior to the plea. And she can provide proof of that to probation and the court.
Thank you. I'll notate the file. Thank you for letting me know, Counselor. Anything else?
Yes, Your Honor. And that's it for the fence.
Okay, very well. All right. Ms. Rodriguez, I followed the court has filed your plea bargain. You do not have my permission to appeal this. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Charles Kimbrough. He is the probation officer for County Court 12. He's going to go over a few things of probation with you. Nothing else. Everyone's excused. Thank you. Good luck to you, Ms. Rodriguez.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Mario, she is the resident of Bear County, right?
Yes, Your Honor, she is a Bear County resident.
Very good. Everyone's excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you want to go into that room also, Mario?
If I may.
Okay, yes, now. Charles, put Mario in the room too. Thanks, guys.
Judge,
We're please ready, Booker. I'll be right here, okay?
Judge, you have time to go in a breakout room with Kendra?
Yes, yes, put me, could Kendra put me, fine.
I can put you in.
Okay, very well.
Ms. Zucker, you're next in line. If you want to go back to number 4, Kendra will be right there with you.
You bet. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I didn't see that name. Thank you.
No worries.
Sorry to bother you, Mr. Booker. I barely got the confidential new number. Here, Jose Valero.
Jose? Mr. Valero?
Yes, sir. I'm here. I'm sorry. I'm trying to mess with the phone. This is Valero.
Okay, can you turn your camera on so I can see your face? Oh, there you go. Well,
Yes,
you're
sir.
upside down, but I got you.
Yeah, I don't know how to mess with this phone. It's been acting up. I have to pay the bill.
No worries. We got you checked in. Just stay put. You're trying to be on shortly, and then we'll release you from there.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Russell.
We're ready to announce on Ms. Mata whenever the court's ready.
Okay, all right, go right ahead.
Booker, sorry about that. Just to have it, we need this case set for trial.
Alrighty. That would be March 21st.
March 21st. And so just for some clarification, do we come for a trial setting that day and pick a jury that afternoon or the next day?
We'll be fully back in person at that point in time. I believe that we're gonna do, I need to get clarification from judges how we're gonna do it once we go back fully in person. But the way we're doing it right now, you'll come back on that day. If you still can't work out anything, then we'll set you for a panel, and then it'll be at a 1:37 from there.
Okay, perfect.
Alrighty.
May I be put into a breakout room with my client very quickly? She is the one that just labeled iPhone.
Yes, I see her. All right, and then you guys are free to go from there.
Thanks so much, Booker. Have a good day.
You too.
Booker, may I confer with the state, please? On John Alfred Metamea.
Yes.
Thank you.
What's going on with the,
Hello, how's it going? I'm here on 680019. He's still doing his community service. He's almost halfway through. Can we just get a 30-day reset or for the next setting so we can plea him out? He's on video.
yeah, Judge still wants you to confer on the case.
We already have a deal.
All right, that's fine, but things change. Judge still wants you to confer.
Oh, okay, no problem. Thanks.
Mr. Booker? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. How can I help you?
Okay, I heard my name called, John Murmea, John Alfred Murmea.
Yes, your attorney is going to be talking with the state. She had mentioned your name. She said that she was here to represent you,
Okay,
but you're good, sir.
thank you.
Caleb, did you need me? No? Okay. Ms. Arco.
Hey, Booker, good morning.
Morning.
So my client has informed my office that she hired Brandon Lopez. She did take a plea with him on her felony case, January 30th. There's not an appearance of counsel in, but I'm hesitant to do anything if she thinks someone else is representing her.
Ms. Gonzalez.
Jennifer Zarka, I've tried to get a hold of your office many times and it's very hard. So I did hire and pay Brandon Lopez and he will be in court shortly.
Okay, so he didn't put an appearance of counsel in on this case, so that's why I'm here.
Okay, so do I tell him that? Because I'm actually texting him right now.
Okay.
Or what's gonna happen? Because the case is supposed to be dismissed.
Well, okay, text on this meeting ID.
Text him this meeting ID?
Yes, 822-2177 9971.
Oh, okay. I'll do that right now.
822-2177-9971.
Okay, I'll send him that right now.
All right, Ms. Arca, I will make sure that he puts in his notice of counsel. You can go ahead and send us your voucher and we can get that taken care of for you.
Okay, do you have my cell phone number? Just text me if anything happens. I'll pop back in.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, I'll text you right now. I'll chat it to you. Yep.
Sounds good.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
I'm sorry. What do I tell him he didn't do?
He didn't file his notice of appearance in your case. So he just, if he comes onto the docket and says that he's going to represent you, he needs to just, because previous counsel, Ms. Zarko was the one that is on your misdemeanor case. So if he's going to take on your misdemeanor case, he needs to file his voucher. His notice of appearance.
The last time we were in court last month, he let y'all know. Because I remember.
Yeah, but he still needs to file his notice. But if he's coming on, then I'll talk to him in regards to it.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Now.
Hi, Booker. Good morning.
Morning.
Could I please reset some people and talk to some people?
Yes, who do you need to reset?
I would like to reset Kenny Brown. We're gonna refer her to mental health court because her discovery isn't ready either. So we'd like a reset.
That'll be March 23rd. And it's starting March 1st, all court appearances will be in person.
Okay, great. And
So I
then
will come-
I'll call you later, okay?
Okay,
Okay, and you're dismissed.
okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes,
Um,
ma'am.
And for Kevin Davis, could I reset him and talk to him?
Yeah, I got a couple person.
Let's see. All right, what's going on with Mr. Davis's cases?
He just needs to save a little money so we can take the plea offer. So a month would be great.
All right, and that will be reset to March 9th.
Okay,
And then I'll put you in a breakout room and then we can move forward to the rest of the resets once you finish.
so is everything in March in person?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, the OCS is no longer gonna extend Zoom after March 1st.
okay. Okay, yes, I would love to talk to him.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you.
Ryan.
Booker, I'm here
Yes,
on.
Go
Sorry,
ahead, Ryan.
which one did you say, Booker? Maybe I misheard.
No, you.
Oh, okay. Yes, can I please get a reset for Michelle McGowan? Believe we're waiting on a referral for DWI court screening. I'm going to double check that one today when I get in the office and resend that over if there's no movement on it.
All right, 3/24.
Okay, Ms. McGowan, your next court date is March 24th in person in County Court 12. That'll be at 9 a.m. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're free to log off.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. And then for Victor Rodriguez, he's awaiting a PTD decision. The application's already in. We're just waiting to see what they say about it.
And which one was that one again?
Victor Rodriguez Jr.
All right, March 8th.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, your next court date is March 8th in person in County Court 12 at 9 a.m. And you are free to log off. And Devin Garcia, need a reset on. It's his first setting. Just need the discovery and time to go over the offer. But I'm going to release him from a breakout room.
$327.
Sorry, when?
$327.
3/27. Okay. Mr. Garcia, your next court date is March 27th, but hang out just a minute. I'm going to talk to you before you leave.
All right.
And Joseph Valenzuela, did he check in today?
No.
No? Okay. Then that'll be it for me. If you don't mind throwing me in a breakout room with Mr. Garcia, or at least I believe that's it for me.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. Thank you.
RC.
Yes, sir. I'm here for Eric Woodwood. I have confirmed with the prosecutor. We need a reset for me to file motions.
Okay, March 23rd.
All right, Eric, we are reset from March 23rd, okay?
Yes, sir. Sounds good. Thank you so much, sir.
Excellent. You have a great day.
You too. God bless.
All right, Mr. Wicklow, you're free to log off, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day, Booker.
You too.
Bye-bye.
All right, RC, I'll see you later.
Yes, sir. You have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. Victoria.
Good morning. I have Mermea, John L. Mermea. It is probably the oldest case on the docket.
Yes.
After speaking with the state, we both agree that they need time. They need to contact their complainant before we go any further because they might dismiss it. So can I get like not a long reset? Because I do have my discovery like that, but I don't want to get on the trial docket quite. I'm sorry?
February 23rd.
February 23rd. Okay, that'll work. For last PTC?
Yeah.
Final PT.
Hopefully the state can get.
I mean, the thing is.
Good.
Yeah. By then, like either they're gonna dismiss it or we're gonna shoot to number 1 on the trial docket. So.
Alrighty. Sounds good.
Yeah. Can I go in with my client and confer and may we be excused from there?
Yes, that'll be fine.
Thank you.
Ms. Gonzalez, did your attorney respond back to you?
Let me check because I'm charging my phone because he's in another courtroom right now.
Okay.
No, he hasn't answered back, but he'll be coming on shortly. Because I had just like when before Docket got on the Zoom, I had just finished talking to him that he was going to be in shortly. He was in another.
Alrighty, sounds good. Thank you, ma'am. No,
Hi, Booker. So for Kevin Davis, he actually lives in Virginia. So could we do the plea agreement at the last week of February? So he can do it on Zoom?
he doesn't have to do any classes or anything, does he?
He's gonna do them before then, so he can take the offer.
All right, February 22nd.
Okay, are you okay with that, Kevin?
Yeah, that sounds good. That's payday. Good.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
You
You too.
too. Thank you, Booker. Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Okay, so, for Israel Hernandez, could we reset this because the discovery hasn't come in yet and, the district attorneys are requesting the body cam and all this, but I would like to talk to him also.
Okay, I'll set that one to March 21st,
Okay,
and I will put you guys in a breakout room together.
thank you.
I'm back.
Ortho?
Yes, I don't know how I messed up. I had to get off, but I haven't conferred. If you want to send me to confer, please.
Okay. Now. Now. Mr. Lopez.
Yes, sir. On
Hi.
Serena Gonzalez, she took a plea in felony court last week, and this was supposed to be TIC. I just got to see what's going on with that.
Let's see. Okay, I'm looking at it and under the felony, I do not see.
Yeah, it hasn't been dismissed, but I know. Are you looking at the plea?
Yeah,
I know that there were TICs in there. If it wasn't in there, I believe it was an oversight, so I'd have to go back to the prosecutor in 144th and get him to do it.
okay, yeah, because I see there's two felony cases that are TIC, but not the misdemeanor. But I can give you a 2-week reset and then you can check with them and we can just go forward from there.
Yeah, that'd be great. I appreciate that.
All right, and I just need you to file your notice on this case so that way we can I can send out the right notice to the right attorney.
Yes, sir. I don't know why we haven't got that done. I will get it done.
Okay, I'm gonna set the case for the February 23rd.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Not a problem.
Alrighty.
All right. All right, Ms. Gonzalez, you're free to log off now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's the warrant for?
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, I can help you.
Yeah, I've already confirmed with the state, so in 30 more days, he should be able to do the community service, finish community service.
All right, March
March.
6th.
Okay, thanks a lot. We'll see you.
That's gonna be in person.
Okay, no problem.
All right,
Thank you.
no problem,
I'll see you later. Thanks a lot.
no problem.
Yep.
Jose Valero.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your court date has been reset to March 30th.
March 30th. Okay. And would it be on Zoom again?
No, that'll be in person, kind of court 12.
Okay.
All right, you're free to log
On what was the date again?
March 30th.
March 30th. Okay, let me put that down. Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Am I good to
Yes, you're free to log off.
all right, thank you, sir. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Mhm.
Hey, what I'm waiting for? My attorney?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, all right.
If he's not here within the next couple of minutes, I'm just going to start resetting cases. But yes, we're waiting for your attorney as of now.
Excuse me, would you reset mine even though I have a plea deal that I'm supposed to take today?
No, waiting for your attorney. Patrick.
Who was that admiral who was running for vice president and said at the debate, "Who am I and what am I doing here?" That's my situation right now. I'm not sure why I'm here. And we ran my name through the docket using the word search function on the Adobe, and it didn't pop up.
Jonathan Martinez.
Don't see him. I didn't have him on either. I have two calendars I maintain, and he wasn't on either, and the prosecutor didn't see him either. What can you tell me about that case? Is it like a new appointment, or is it one I've been on a year and like I just don't know it? I mean, what?
Let's see. You're on it since August 19th.
Okay, well, for some reason I didn't put it on my calendar, which means I don't have it with me. I'm here in the courthouse.
Okay.
And it would be in my files, but I'll tell the prosecutor and see if she can find it. That sounds like a common name though. I hope she can find it.
691-291.
I'm sorry, sir?
691-291.
I will tell her and I'll return. Thank you for your help.
Not a problem.
Booker, is Nell on? Is she in the
No,
breakout
Judge,
room?
she isn't.
You said, what was, I'm sorry, my
No,
volume.
Judge, she's not on.
Okay. One of her clients, number 25, just showed up in person. Lewis Henry.
Huh. Okay, I will get a hold of her.
Okay, thanks, Booker. Thank you.
Patrick.
Hello. I figured out why I didn't know what was going on other than just, being out of it. It's still awaiting blood test and it's been taking like a little bit longer than forever. But I'm assured that they're going to light a fire under it and get those blood test results back.
Sounds good. Let's see, Mr. Jonathan Renee Martinez.
Here.
Okay. Sir, your court date has been reset to March 7th.
Mhm.
And I'll be in person in County Court 12.
No problem. At 9?
Yes, sir, at 9 a.m.
No problem.
All right, sir, you're free. Pat, did you need to talk to your client or is he?
I'm in another court, so I'll have to get with him later, but we'll be March 7th in person, and that's not a trial setting, it's an appearance. So if we can't reach an agreement, we'll reschedule your case yet again.
No problem.
Thank you. See you.
You take care.
All right, Pat. Thanks for logging on, sir. All right, Mr. Martinez, you're free to log on.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Jesus Salazar,
Yes, sir.
one second, sir.
So I'm going.
So your court date has been reset to March 22nd.
March 22nd,
Yes, and that'll be in person, County Court 12.
in person, County Court 12.
Correct.
At what time? 9 a.m.
Correct.
So March 12th. Let me get that right. March 12th, 9 a.m.
March 22nd.
Oh, March 22nd.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Excuse me.
Michael.
Yes, sir. We're trying to get the paperwork ready on Mr. Vargas for his plea. On Mr. Franklin, they're requesting 2 more days to see if they're going to dismiss it or not.
Two more days.
Yes, 2 more days is what they're requesting.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll give it to Friday. All right, Mr. Franklin, your case has been reset to this Friday, the 10th. You're free to log off.
All right, I appreciate it.
No problem.
On, we already talked about Mr. Saunders, we're reset for March the 31st. And I'll get those motions in for dismissal today. And then, as I said, Mr. Vargas, I'm working on his paperwork right now.
What do you have to do on his?
Fill out the play paperwork.
How many cases are we going on? One or two?
I don't know what they just sent me. I haven't made it there far enough yet. See if I can pull that up. We're going forward on 696-707. Well, I take that back. It looks like we're going forward on both of them. They've only got me the discovery acknowledgement so far.
Hey, what day I go to court again? My apologies.
Friday.
Friday, and it's on the Zoom.
Correct.
All right, thank you.
No problem. Okay, so it's going to be the 696-706, and which other one?
693-592.
Okay, I'm gonna have to recall these cases for tomorrow morning. I just checked the course paperwork. It's not sent out.
That'll be fine, Booker, if you want to do it tomorrow morning.
So tomorrow we're in person.
Okay.
Mr. Vargas, you're in San Antonio?
Yes, sir.
Okay, be to the courthouse tomorrow morning for 9 a.m. and we'll get your cases taken care of then.
Okay.
All right, and just be at County Court 12 and we can get your cases taken care of at that time.
Okay, that sounds great.
All right, sir, we'll see you tomorrow morning.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, Michael, it'll just be easier. You can do the state's paperwork online and then we can do the course paperwork in person.
That'll be fine. I'll see you tomorrow morning, bro. And I'll be coming to your court first to get him out of here.
It sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
Not a problem.
Booker, so on Jayton, I think it's Veronica's client, Jayton Barlow number 6. She said that she has conferred, so we just need to give her a date. I think
Yes,
she got
she
off the. Steve, could you see if she's in the hallway? Let me see. Close. She got off the Zoom. Jake, could you turn your camera on? There you go. So what day? So Booker's going to give you a date now. Make sure you'll be available on your calendar. What day you got, Booker?
This will be March 9th.
March 9th, that good for you? Yes, ma'am. Okay, good. Jake, your next court date is March 9th. Okay, March 9th is, for now, they're telling everyone that it's going to be in person, right? But if anything changes, we will reach out to your attorney and she will in turn let you know, okay? So March 9th, 9 o'clock in person, County Court 12 for now. If anything changes, well, that'll be the plea day too, okay? She's telling you that.
Okay.
Your attorney will your plea. So you're free to log off, sir, okay? March 9th, 9 o'clock in person.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. You're free to go. Thanks, Counselor. Okay. Oh, you sure can. Thank you for coming on and conferring. All right. So, Book, I see we have Romero and Adam. Who's Romero's attorney?
Karen, Judge, she just got on about maybe 10 minutes ago, and so did Stephen for
Oh, they're conferring right now. They're in breakout rooms?
yes, Caleb had to log off for some reason, so we just have Kendra.
Okay, 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 great. Hang on, guys. Your attorneys are conferring as we speak, okay? All right. Thanks.
Adam Gray.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, you're trying to convert the state. Your case has been reset to March 27th, and that'll be in person in County Court 12.
You said March 27th?
Correct. At 9 a.m.
Okay, I got it. I appreciate it.
All right, sir, you're free to log off.
All right, thank you.
No problem. Stephen. You're muted.
Okay, yeah, I conferred with Kendra. There's no blood test results yet. So I guess I'll just need to get a reset to give her a chance to track those down.
All right, it's going to be reset to March 30th.
March what?
30th.
3-0? Okay.
Yes.
And are you still going to be doing Zoom at that point, or?
No, we're going to be back to in person.
Okay, so that'll be an in-person setting then.
That's correct.
Okay, so can Mr. Calvillo and I be excused?
Yes, sir. You guys are both free to log off.
Okay, thank you. You can log off, Mr. Calvillo.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
The board back here, right?